doing better. I heard you. Now you run your mouth and say I ain't deserving. Pretty bitch, yeah, it's usual. Say no hard feelings, but it's mutual. Damn.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Today's video is gonna be how I got this cute eyeshadow look and show y'all how I did my hair. So yeah. Okay y'all, so first I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm gonna drag it out a little bit because I want to drag my eyeshadow out. So yeah. Okay, so I'm using the Neon Pigment Stack from the Makeup Plug. I'm gonna put their Instagram across the screen. I still have not mastered working with these, so I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. It wasn't perfect, and my left eye was fucked. But it is what it is, okay?
And go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money.
Okay, y'all, so I just want to mention that you don't need to use this Vaseline. It was really pointless, and I think it messed up my purple eyeshadow a little bit. So I didn't use it on the left eye, but like I said, I fucked up the left eye anyway because I'm just not that good with like doing stuff on that side, especially something I've never done before like this look. So yeah. Okay, yeah, so I also want to mention that I have hooded eyelids, so that's another reason why it's a little difficult for me, because I haven't just mastered working with that either yet. So yeah, when I try to do these like different looks, it be a little difficult.
Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm using this white eyeliner from NYX, and y'all, I was so scared doing this part. I did mess it up just a little bit, and I tried to fix it. So it came out looking pretty decent, but yeah. So now I'm just using this Garnier micellar water to clean up all the little fallout from the pigments, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. Okay, so y'all know every time I do a makeup video, I gotta brag on this Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. Period is my favorite. And I'm just gonna put these lashes on that I got from my nail tech, and I'm gonna put my highlighter on. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to do my hair, but I'm not about to do nothing special to it. I'm just gonna flat iron it and fix my bangs a little bit. This wig was, I plucked it, I had it as a middle part, but I wanted to put some bangs on it. But it would have been cuter if I didn't already have it plucked as a middle part, because I wouldn't have that little space between the bangs in the front. But you know, it's still cute enough for the moment. But I think I'm gonna buy another closure so I can redo it. But this is only my second time cutting bangs, y'all, and they came out so cute. So yeah, also I did make this wig, so if y'all want to get a wig made, follow my business page, go to my website. Everything will be in the description box.
Bouncing down here, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing down here, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bounce.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. It was cute. I can't wait to practice some more so they can come out better. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell so you can cut on your notifications.